Online students, have you connected your file? Ragini, Shantanu. So guys, today we'll be starting some type of cards. So there's a fourth row, fourth column. Fourth row, fourth column, cards will be there, like 1 to 3. Okay. Just pick up and drag sales. What is the value you're getting, guys? $12.64. Okay. But you're getting the small header sum of sales. Double click on that and just write revenue. Double click over here and write revenue. It's coming as sum of sales, but it is coming in very small one. Go to format, category label. I'll repeat again, guys. I click on cards. Okay. I click on sum of sales. You are getting 12.64 million. Okay. And it's a small one written sum of sales. I'll show you where is the small written. Can you see sum of sales at the bottom? This sum of sales, how to rename it? Okay. Rename for this, which will drop down into point number 1. Or you can do sum of sales, just double click. Just write revenue. Clear. Now go to format. You can change to category label, font size, bold, colors, and so on. I have taken unit as housing. It depends on you, whichever unit you want to take. So call out values means changes in numbers. Category label means changes in subname. Clear. Go to general. You have title. Write that on the title. Write sales. Got the point, guys? How title works for you? But title is different. Category label is different. Clear. Next, we have effects. Okay. I've taken effects color as, let's say, blue. In effects, guys, we have three things: background, visual borders, and shadow. I just change in background, blue color. You can take the transparency. Till you're clear. Next, visual border means, guys, here if you see, do we have any border on the corner side? If you need a border, okay, activate the border. Are we getting a border now? But the border, if you want to round that, okay, so radius, rounding corner have taken 100% or 28 pixel. It will get round for you. Done till here. Next, we have shadow. Okay, just activate this. Are you getting a shadow something? Click slightly attractive. So it's clear. How to format a cards? We have this sheet name as number cards. Okay. Now next, what you have to do? You just have to copy and paste. Just copy and paste. Done, guys. Everywhere we're getting a sales. Okay. Instead of sales, what I will do, I will remove sales. I will take profit. And here I will just write profit. Till you're clear. Third one, I remove sales. I have taken quantity. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Do you have all three numbers? Okay. Just click on revenue. Click on revenue. Go to format. Journal title off. Same will do for all three. Till you're clear. Done, guys. See. Fifth row, second column. Fifth row, second column. Click on state, click on sum of sales. Okay. Guys, do you have Superstore final file with you? Okay. We're doing only just one for numbers. The rest either we use that file. Okay. every time you need to apply filter. Table पे click करना है state and sum of sales. Next, take country and drag and filter on this visual and take only United States. Country में filter on this visual and take only United States. What do you see, guys? Once just see first and then you can do. Okay. Click on the map. Okay. Now, guys, can you see somewhere we have California over here? I just click on California. So how much is the sales for California coming? 4,57,687. Can you see same number in revenue? Auto change. I just come up, see, change in all. Just click on one state, we'll keep changing all. My suggestion, guys, close this file, do not save. Start a new file with Superstore final. So your time will be saved. Close this, do not save this. Okay, I was saying I'm not saving this. Remove that. Just start your new one, new Power BI with Superstore final. Online students have it done. Ragini Chandra. Just use the new file, guys. Okay. Superstore final. And can you make same three cards? Revenue, profit, and quantity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys on screen. I have done with this 3. I have just removed the displaced numbers. Like we have unit million now. I just have taken none. How I have done this? I click on 1. I click on format, call out values. यहाँ पे मैंने none कर दिया. Display unit में none. Okay. Are you able to see the state names? How much is the sales happens for Alabama? Online students have you done till here? Ragini, Shantanu,
No, sir. The last one is remaining.
please do. Do you know how I make this table? I click on 5th row, 2nd column, state, sales, profit, quantity. I just click on 4 columns.
Okay, sir.
Should I make again, Ragini?
No, sir. If I need anything, I'll ask you.
Okay. I'm just waiting for you.
Hello?
Yes, Shantanu.
Yes, does it filters as we select the states?
As you collect on any one of the state, guys, same number will reflect on the top. See, I click on Alabama, sales number, profit number, quality number exactly match. मैंने सिर्फ Alabama पे click किया. Change happens.
Done, sir.
So guys, this is called as a number cards on screen. When I say number cards means a card which is used to just to display the numbers. If I click on California, just compare each and every number of California in the cards. So when you click anywhere, okay, cards will change. The auto reflections happens over here, like action on filter. Any action you take on any state will reflect on your filters also, on your cards also. Till you're clear? You can try, guys, clicking anywhere. I click on District of Columbia. All the numbers should match. This sheet is called as number cards. Run this one. Go to the next page. The next sheet as this card. Text card. Take a card, guys. Click on subcategory. Till you're clear. You're getting first subcategory. Something. Double click and write highest sales. ये clear हो गया, guys? I'm just doing a round off because I like to have a round of guys. Done this one. I just have done round off and shadow, nothing else. Highest sales is coming as accessories. Okay. Guys, if you're done till here, just inform me. Ragini, Shantanu done.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Just a second.
Just click on this. You will have filter on this visual. Okay. Filter on this visual. Or that the subcategory and track. Track. Top N. Top one. Then buy sales. Top N में top में one. And buy sales. Click on apply filter. So highest sales come from phones. Right. Done, Shantanu? Are you getting answer as phones?
Yes, sir.
Any done for you?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Copy this, paste. Now instead of having sales, take profit. And here we will write most profitable. Second card me, you're getting this number. Okay. So sorry. Once again, my mistake. Copy this, paste. Okay. Instead of subcategory, where we have taken buy sales, remove sales and take profit. Just remove sales and take by sales, by profit. So your answer will come as copies. Then guys, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, देखो यहाँ पे क्लिक करो, सेल्स को रिमूव करो यहाँ से, सौरभ सिर्फ सेल्स रिमूव करना है और प्रॉफिट रखना है. रागिनी, शांतनु,
Done, sir.
I will given the name most profitable. Copy and paste, make the third one. Now guys, I'll just nickname as most order. How many orders we get? So if I'm finding order, guys, I say I should remove profit. See, I remove profit, quantity over here, apply filter. So most order come from binders. Make this bar chart category versus sales. Done, guys. Done with the bar chart. Okay. Now, in technology, okay, here we have taken category versus sales. Just click on technology. In technology, guys, which category give me the highest sales? Which profitable? Most order come from phones. Now click on furniture. Most highest sales come for chairs. Most profitable chairs. Most order is for furniture. Furniture. Click on office supply. Highest sales come from storage. Most profitable is the paper business, and the most order come for binders. Till you clear? Can I say clicking on any category is reflecting on my cards? This is called text card. Till you clear, guys? Third one, date cards. Add a new sheet for date cards. The cards, click on order date. Take order dates. And right over here is the highest sales date. Okay. Are you getting 3rd January 2016? Okay. So let's see how I do. Okay. Here we have filter on this visual. Take order date and drag over here. Top N 1 by sales. Highest sales day was 18 March. Order date in filter on this which will top one sales. Clear, guys? Done, Shantanu, Ragini.
Done, sir.
I copy and paste it. I just make one copy. Okay. Instead of sales, guys, I'll take now profit. A most profitable day. I can say profitable day. Second October is a profitable day and highest sales occurs on 18 March. Clear? Done, everyone? Saurabh?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now, guys, we need to have two tables. First, see how I do. Fifth row, second column. State, sales, profit. State-wise, sales-wise, profit-wise. Clear, guys? Make another table. Click on order date. Are we getting order date like this way? Year, quarter, month, and day? Yes. Saurabh? Come to over here. See my arrow. Everyone. I am on the visual. Drop down. Order date. You will get a proper date wise. And click on sales. Click on profit. Okay. Now, guys, I go to one of the state. Okay. Let's say Just click on Alabama, guys. Once you click on Alabama, highest sales occur on which day? 26th November 2018. So just sort over your sales wise in this cross check. Are we getting higher sales? See, I do. First, I click on Alabama. Then I got these two dates. I go to the second table. I just do sort sum of sales. I'm getting 26 November 18. Highest sales, highest profit.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you please show last table once again?
Last table.
Yes.
Once. I have click on table. Okay.
Mhm.
Point number 1. I click on order date.
Yes.
Now I come to the visual. See my arrow.
Yes.
Click on order date. And
Okay.
just take sales and profit.
Okay, sir.
And you can change the font size, depends on you.
Okay, sir.
Now guys, I click on California. Which day is most profitable? 25th July 2016. I just sort sum of sales. Am I getting the same date? See, I just sorted out. But which is highest profitable day? Can you see which date is coming if I sort profit wise? Able to get guys how this card works. Guys, this card is very important. We have it in Tableau also. Number of people, number of orders. So over there we have to use cards only. Done targeting, Shantanu.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now I add a plus again new chart. Date card with relative card filter. Date card with relatives card filter. Okay. Click on cards, order date, sales. Just take a card, click on order date. Go to filter. Take order date and track. Go to relative dates. Relative dates. I'll repeat again. Done this one. Order date and track period. Basic filter होगा. Take relative dates. Give me data in the last. I take as year wise. Guys, our data start from 14 till 16. Okay. And laptop will take the Power BI take the latest data as per your laptop. So how many years backward we need to go? No. Is given 100 years. We not define this value like last 5 years. Last 6 years. So give us the data of last 6 years, 7 years. 16 is 6 years backward. Let's apply this. Give you data for the last 6 years. You clear over here? 1 point. Second point, take a table, order date, sales. You just have to take order dates and sum of sales and profit. Now that you have made this card now, what you can do, delete this card for a time being. Okay, make sure you have this one folder. Delete a card and make sure you have this only one table. Order date wise, sales and profit wise. Done so far? Now take your order date and drag on filter on this wish wheel and select the relative dates. Last 5 years or last 7 years. It will give you only data of the last 7 years. If you specify 7 months, this question are we getting data? I just changed from month, from year to month. Because we do not have the month only. We are using data till 16. This is called relative filtering. Okay. We'll only activate when you take a date over here. Till you're clear. Add a new sheet. The last one, multi-row cards. Sheet name, multi-row cards. First, take a cards and drag subcategory, single cards. What is the name are you getting, guys? Accessories. Okay. Now, take a pie chart. Take a region and sales. I just changed the label, nothing else. Guys, we have done this labeling also yesterday only, how to format it. Shall I? If I click on West region, okay, only West region is selected. Now, next to card, an option called multi-row cards. multi-row cards. Click on that. Take your subcategory, take your sales. Guys, just increase the font size. And color values, label size. Now in multi-row cards, guys, are we getting only one name or multiple names? For each category, one sales value, correct? So multiple options are we getting. Second, guys, in multi-row, you can take profit also if you want. Just click on multi, you can take profit also. So the first value coming to display for you is nothing but sales. Second value is your profit. Now click on any one and see the reflections. They're clear, guys. This is called multi-row card. Now, guys, as an analyst, I want to find which are top 5 subcategory sales. How should I do? Top 3 or top 5? Okay. I take subcategory, drag and filter. Top, yes. 3 sales, apply. So these are top 5 which have the highest sales wise. But what is coming first, guys? Yes. Second is phones. Third is sorry, but logically, phone should come first, then chairs, and then storage. Triple dot is there, sort in descending. Sort by sum of sales. Select descending and sort by sum of sales. See, it will be sorted now. I will repeat, triple dot, descending order, and sorting by sum of sales. So now your phones, chairs, and storage. Aya, Saurav, Dheeraj, Ragini, Shantanu, able to sort data, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, we're done with cards. Okay. Close this file. Okay. You can close and save the file and start a new file. ये फाइल ये कॉन्सेप्ट कंप्लीट हो गया स्टार्ट a new file and we'll start a new concept. Have a connection with Superstore final only, guys. Once you're ready, just inform me. Ragini,
Yes, sir.
Shantanu, are you ready? Okay. First, write slicer on text. You save the entire workbook called slicer. Entire workbook name called slicer. Have we changed the workbook? Just save that slicer. First sheet name text. Slicer on text. Okay. Take a column chart. Subcategory sales. Subcategory and sales, nothing else. Till you're done. Any question, any help, can ask, please. This applicant subcategory and sales, nothing else. Should I repeat, sir? फर्स्ट वाला लिख लीजिए ना, आपका ऐसा आ रहा होगा, ये चार्ट ऐसा होगा, करेक्ट? ऐसा है, ऐसा कर लीजिए. Next one, guys. Okay. There is the option fifth row, first column. Click on category. Guys, change the color, change the background along with me. I just go to values. I just formatted this. Slicer header of values may I increase the font size. I've just taken a black color. I just change values and background. So slicer is nothing but one types of advanced filter, guys. Repeating, slicer is nothing but one type of advanced filter. Now click on technology and see what happens. Please specific that bar of categories coming. In technology, we have phones, machine, accessories, and copies. Till here clear? Click on furniture. Are you able to select more than one? No. How to select more than one? Control click. Clear? Okay. Next, if you want to remove this control option, come to format, go to journal, One second. Slicer setting. In the visual slicer setting, selection में control select with, you just have to deactivate that. And click on show select all option. So you will be getting a new option activated for you. Clear. So select all get activated. Plus you have all three. Multi select को off करना है, select off all को on करना है. Clear. Any question on selection, guys? Able to perform Ragini, Shantanu? Yeah, we have orientation. Coming as vertical, take horizontal and see what happened. See the format. You can take vertical also, and you can take horizontal also. Depends on you. Clear. Easy, guys. So we done this basic formatting, and we see how to change the slicer setting. Okay, headers and values format. Clear. Easy, guys. Or difficult. Now click on furniture and try to select more than one possible. This we works on text. Now next sheet. My suggestion, take a slicer. Take a state name. Take a state name. नहीं same sheet. Just change orientation to horizontal from vertical. I just change the background color, guys. It is your opinion, okay? You can change to any background color. I have taken state name, select all is activated, multi-select is deactivated. Okay. Now, as an analyst, I want to know in the state of California. Okay. In state of California, I go to technology. Which have the highest sales? Phones one. Clear. If I go to Alabama, I deselected California, then deselect California. एक बार select किया ना, उस पर double click करो तो deselect हो जाएगा. And then click on Alabama. So guys, you can take state name, you can take your category name as a filter. The slicer is nothing but one type of filter only. Clear. Next one, right? Slicer date. Date. We are applying filter on dates. Okay. Take your slicer order dates and wait. Make sure you increase the size, guys, depends on you. Guys need to teach how to increase the font size. Guys, once you're ready, just inform me. And this one, I just have done the color and the formatting. Next, click on table, take order date, take sales. And just increase the size. Is that clear? Now, when I say date filtering, guys, we need to specify how many years of data we need, how many months of data we need. Okay, example, my data start from 3rd of 2016 to 30/12/2019. Apply the conditions over here. Give me data from 3rd. See my arrow. There's a small calendar shape over here. Till I just say first 01/2016. How many months data I'm taking, guys? Specific 1 month data. If I say only 6th of 01, how many weeks day I'm taking data? 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Just a 4 days data. But the point, this is called as a date filter. For a particular day, a particular month, we can also apply a filter. Clear? Next, either you can use your arrow, guys, for opinion, or you write. One second. Okay. On the top, guys, are you getting some drop down? What is the option coming? Between means specific day. Between means I specified over here till 6th of 01 of 2016. This is called between concept, means specific 4 days data. If you want to change the conditions before also, after also that date, list format, if you want, you can see you're getting in this way. Just select list over here. Drop down in specific condition you want to apply. Just select list, guys. Everyone select list. In the list, okay, guys, you are getting an options called like 03. Should I repeat? आपका हेडर डीएक्टिवेट होगा फिर, स्लाइसर हेडर इसको ऑन कीजिए, बाय डिफॉल्ट ऑन. Did you convert it to list? Now guys, when you convert it to list format, are you getting field में see on screen in visual, in field order date, drop down, select date hierarchy. What is the first one? Year, quarters, month, day. Now see, 2016 is my year. I drop down, what I'm getting? Quarters. Drop down, month, drop down, days. Now I just need data guys, only year wise. So what I'll do from here, I'll keep on removing. I'll have option only for 4 years, only year options. You can see now. You can click on any year guys, you'll get data of that specific year only. You can see the changes at the bottom. Clear. List, drop down. Okay. Next option. Here we have less than or equal, greater than or equal, starting from which year till where year you want to stop. You can do that also. So you can apply filtering of date in any way, either day wise, month wise, year wise, between, range wise, starting with, ending with, depends on you. Any question, please ask. Easy guys. Online students, done for you. So we have done slicer on text, slicer on date. Now new sheet, slicer on numbers. Click on table, second row, fifth column. Customer name and quantity. Second, fifth row, second column. Customer name, quantity. See हो गया guys. In the cards, in your slicer, what you have taken? Take slicer and take quantity. Take slicer or quantity पे click कीजिए. So you will have numbers 1 to 14. How many are getting this one? Or do you want me to repeat? Slicer पे click करो सौरभ और quantity पे click करो. Point number 1. Second, click on table, customer name and quantity. Okay. Now, as in a list, I want to find how many customers have purchased a product starting from 10 till 14. Give me only that customers. 10 to 14 as a quantity. So 1977 number. These are sum of quantities, guys. These are number of customers. Okay. If I need count of customers, what should I do? Take a cards, drag your customer ID, take as count distinct. Easy. How many customers have taken? Come to 1 to 14 guys. Come 1 to 14. Total how many customers we have? 793. Total number of customers. Okay, these are the numbers. Customer who purchased from 10 to 14 are how many? Okay, sure. Clear guys. So we have 157 number of customers. If you do not want list format, you can take this format, you can take your drop down format, you can take your between format, you can take greater than say 20. So right, greater than or equal to 14. There are 29 customers who have given the order more than or equal to 14. How many quantity we have to deliver? 406. Easy guys. So we can apply slicer on numbers, slicer on text, slicer on date. ये numbers का फॉर्मेट्स में जाना है, वैल्यूज में जाना है, चेंज कीजिए. Visual pay, okay, write 25. Okay, then come to column headers and write 20. ये headers change हो गए ना. सेम ऊपर का भी यहाँ पे होगा ना वैल्यूज में. Easy guys, close the slicer. Okay, so let me go through point wise. I'm just asking you, in the first row we cover all the charts, second row all the charts except area chart is remaining, third row all the charts, waterfall, funnel, tree map, pie chart, donut chart, scatter plot. We done all the maps, cards, multi cards. Okay, this gauss we use in your dashboard. Okay, API we use in dashboard sometime. Okay, key performance indicator, find the best one, automate it, find for you. Okay. Slicer we done. Now table and matrix are remaining. These two. Here is a calculation. Rest other is nothing but your writing something like codes and something else. Okay. Save this. Close. Start a new one. Close this. So your slicer is done. Start a new workbook. Have a connection with Superstore Final. Guys, tomorrow your lecture will be online. Okay, morning 8 to 10:30. Ragini and this Shantanu.
Okay, sir.
I will be dragging that official time in the group also. Don't worry. Okay? And do not forget, Sunday you have a presentation on Tableau. Huh? I inform you, no? Inform you on Tuesday or Monday, something. Now, guys, we'll work on table. Section started, guys. Go to data, superstore finally. Okay. Now click on table. Okay. See the functionality of table. We'll first works on simple table. Take your subcategory, sales, profit, quantity. Clear. Increase the font size. Go to table. Okay. Done all three, guys. I went to values. I've taken as 20 first. I'm getting alternative color as text. I will just take as a none. I don't need anything. Okay. And you will keep as default only. Don't worry. Just change to 20. So we changed values. Okay. Now come to header. In header, change text as 20. Same. But it's coming to be as very. Try to take 15. Yes. 15 and bold. Done, guys. We'll read the numbers now. We have subcategory versus sales, profit, and quantity. Okay. Now we have a grid lines. See grid lines where it happens. Able to see the grid lines? I just have taken black color and 7. In grid, see in grid, horizontal grid lines, width I've taken as 3. You will able to see the grid lines properly. Line the horizontal. If you need vertical, activate the vertical also. Are you getting vertical lines also, guys? I need border from all the positions. Border color, I need only black. Proper systematic look like table now. Rows and columns. Clear, guys. Done. Viraj. Okay. Now, guys, here we have total. Can you see total over here? If you need total, do on. If you do not need total, do off. Total is vanished. Clear. It is your opinion. Now come to style present on the top. In the visual on the top, style present. This is a basic one, guys, default one. Okay. You can write this sheet name as simple table. Just make a sheet name as simple table. Okay. Now guys, to save our time, what you can do on your page, right click, there's an option called duplicate page. Click on that. You will be getting the same thing, everything done. Done, Shantanu, Ragini.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Come to format, come to style present. Option is coming as default. Fine. Okay. Come click on the table, click on format, visible. Beginning option is default. Take any one, guys, whichever you like, and see what happens. All the formats is different. You select whichever format you like. This is called formatting with your table. Easy, guys. You can format a table also. Shall we move to next? This is a base. You can write formatting table. Simple way. Sheet name as formatting table. Done so far. Now, can you make duplicate of same? Just make another duplicates. Just keep presenting style as default. Or take presenting style as contest. Contest. I prefer this one. For a time being, take this to understand the concept. Done, guys. Want me to repeat? Now, guys, write a sheet name conditional formatting. Sheet name conditional formatting. Okay. Click on the table, come to format, come to cell element. Cell element. What is selected in series? सब कैटेगरी selected है. अभी यहाँ पे select कीजिए sum of sales. देखिए उनके पास सेल्स है कि ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड. Are you getting sum of sales now? You have background color, click on active. It's off, click on on. Done. Are you getting color for every numbers at the background? On screen. On screen. Take your arrow and sort. And see. Highest sales have the dark color. Low sales have the light color. Easy, guys. Okay. Next one. So we have done formatting on sum of sales. Now come, instead of sum of sales, now come to profit. Sum of profit in series. Now whatever changes we do, we'll do changes on your profit now. You clear okay? Okay. You can see there's an option called as icons. Click on that. Some icons get activated for you guys. सिर्फ यहाँ पे आपको सम ऑफ प्रॉफिट लेना है एंड आइकॉन्स को ऑन कीजिए. ओके, नाउ सी ऑन स्क्रीन सम ऑफ प्रॉफिट को क्लिक ऑन सॉर्ट. Again, Shantanu able to do, guys?
Yes, sir.
Shantanu able to perform? Okay. Here we have a profit which is in green color, high profit, then mid color, yellow, and then we have red color. Red indicates losses. But can you see some are coming, profit are also coming in red color? So I need to bifurcate this properly. What you can do? In icons, you have f of x. Click on that. A new window will open for you. Okay. So 0 to 33, 33 to 67, 67 to 100%. Okay. Now guys, if you want to change the icon format also on screen, okay, here we have a drop down. I'm just taking this one, this arrow. You can change the arrow direction whichever you like. So guys, it is a condition. Sales value greater than 0. Okay. And less than or equal to 33, give as a dot. Let me change the icon, guys. You select your icon whichever you want. Okay. Now when I say less than or equal to, it's in terms of percentage, guys, not of values. You can change to values also. Number. See. I say greater than 0 and let's say less than 25. And greater than 25. I'm just doing a cross check once again. Perfect. You can take 25, guys, over here. 25 and 25. So wherever we have data coming 0 to 25, we'll have downwards arrow. 25 to 67 will have upwards arrow, yellow color. And 67 to 100 we have green color. Straight up, upward arrow. Click on OK and see, guys. Till you're clear. So top 4 are my green arrow. Then we have orange. Then we have red. So whichever is red, give me a loss for me. Sometimes if you're not able to explain the code, not explain the diagram, your arrow will explain for you. Your symbol explains for you. Till you're clear. Now next. In series, guys, we done with profit, we done with sales, we done with profit. What is remain now? Select quantity. Okay. On screen, first see that, guys, how I do. I click on font color. Okay. Whichever have the highest quantity will get a dark color, otherwise light color. You can do like this way also. Or you can take data bar. It is okay. Any question, please ask. Clear, guys. This is called conditional formatting. Okay. Last one, I'll give you a break. Okay. Last one sheet. Okay. Take a table. One second. Make a table like the same way. You want to duplicate, you can do. If you can do faster. Just take a new table, guys. You will get confused. Subcategory sales, profit, quantity. Guys, one second. Just take subcategory, take sales, only keep sales, and wait. Subcategory and sales. Done. Done, Ragini.
Done, sir.
Now take a profit and drag. You getting sum of profit, correct? Drop down. Show values as percent of grand total. So it will give you how much contribution come from each category. Show values as percent of grand total. Till you're clear. So you can make data at aggregate level. Second, again take profit and drag. Drop down and take as average. So average profit happens as $817 in copies. Clear, guys. So we can have a reports in terms of by default sum. Is how we calculate average. Sum of total divided by total. Same way, guys, here we can represent the output in the format of any aggregate function like sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, distance. Any statistics you can use over here. Till you're clear. You can write the sheet name as table with aggregate function. Okay. Guys, done till here.
Yes, sir.
Take a break. Let's take a break. After a break, we'll continue. Online students, Ragini, Shantanu available?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, we will start with matrix. We're done with table. Okay. Now with the last one, we'll go with matrix. Just fifth row, third column, next to table. Okay. Click on region. Okay. Should I wait? Once you're ready, just inform me. Same sheet, same workbook. Nahi, you just have to add a sheet. Because table and matrix, they are related. Okay. ठीक है, न्यू में यूज कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ, प्रीवियस से कुछ नहीं लगेगा. हाँ, click on matrix next to table. Okay, click on subcategory, click on region. Okay, and click on fields. Subcategory, region, and fields value. Okay. Any question on this? So we have found a difference between table and matrix is table is for one particular category and all numbers. When I talk about matrix, matrix have rows also subcategory and column also region. Clear? Okay. Easiest way to understand, guys, what you can do, my suggestion. Remove subcategory and take category. It will become more easy for you to understand it. Just remove subcategory and take category. Should I repeat? Okay, on to style presentation, guys. Okay, take as condense or anything whichever you like. Okay. This is very look like a very weird for me. I'll go for minimal only. It's better. You can change the style. Next, guys, here you can see. Okay, we have row total and column total also. If you do not need, just do on. It will get off for you. Just deactivate. Clear? If you need, you can do on also. If you do not need, you can do off also. It is your opinion. Now, guys, here we have that. When looking at this number, these are values. Okay. Not any percentage, not anything. If you need answer in terms of percentage, come to sum of sales, show values as three options activate for you. Percent of grand total, percent of column total, percent of row total. Let's first click on percent of column total. Okay. Now you tell me which category have the highest contribution. Which categories have the highest contribution, guys? Technology. Row wise, we found that technology is the best. Now come to sum of sales, Saurav. Show values as percent of row total. Which region is the best region? Okay, West region is the best. Okay, which have the highest contribution of 31%. So we found that technology is the best and West region is the best. Clear? Okay. Next, come to sum of sales. Show values as grand total. Okay. So let's go with your numbers, guys. As you said, where technology is have the highest sales of it. West region has the highest contribution. Now, if you read, this is overall percentage. If you see that West from the column, okay, technology from the West, okay, but highest percentage contribution come from where? Technology in East. At overall level, technology is best. Region level, West region is best. But for technology, East region is the best contribution for the highest sales. Clear? This is called matrix interpretation. Easy, guys. Clear? Any doubt, any question, please ask. Highest contribution of category come from technology. Highest contribution of region come from West region. The best region and the best category is come as technology and East with the highest sales contribution. So let me write interpretation for you on the word file. Okay. Technology has the highest sales. Okay. West region is the best region as compared to other region. Clear? Okay. But technology highest contribution of sales come from East region. Clear? One is for category wise, one is for region wise, one is for overall wise. Clear? Okay. Next, can we do formatting over here also, guys? By going to cell element. You can activate font color, font bar. Okay. Background color depends on you. VBA. Where is VBA? Web. Here, web URL means you have any specific URL you can specify based on any other conditions, country wise, region wise. You can specify that also.
Our screen is not visible.
Sorry. Guys, instead of taking sales, if I take profit, example, okay, what will be your conclusion? I've just taken as a profit, okay. What do you will conclude over here looking at this number? I've just taken icons to activate. What do you will suggest to me? Most profitable is technology profit in East region. That is also profit. And then loss in the category of furniture with the region of central. So in the central region, do not do business of furniture. And we can say in the East region, you can do business of technology and office supplies. Do not do business of furniture, will not happen. Clear? So the best region for technology is West and East. The best region, okay, the best for furniture is West only. If we talk about furniture point of view. Clear? So we can do cosmetic changes. We can do formatting also with respect to their conditions. Clear? Make a new sheet, guys. Make a new sheet. Sheet name, subtotal and total in metrics. Okay. I'll repeat guys, take a matrix. Take subcategory in row. Sorry, take category in row. Take category in row. Done. Take subcategory in row. Take sales and value. I'm just increasing the header name, guys. पहले कैटेगरी उसके बाद सब कैटेगरी इन रो sales and values. Done guys, still here on screen. Are you getting some plus sign in furniture? Yes. Click on plus and see. You will getting an output at subcategory level. If you click plus of technology, you will get output at subcategory level of technology also. Clear? Any question on this? So this is your total. Overall total 8,46,000. If you need to break this, we go for accessories, copiers, machine, and phones. Sum of all is equal to 8,46,000. Clear? Any question? This call is a subtotal and total. Okay. Now next, come to format. Okay. Just column subtotal hide. Just do off. Column subtotal off. And then click on technology. See what happens. And row total also. Sorry. Column total has to be on. Row subtotal has to be off. Row subtotal has to be off. At overall level, guys, I'm getting technology as 8,36,000. Once I click within technology, the number of technology vanish. It's give me the breakup. Clear? It is you guys how you want to represent yourself, either category wise or subcategory wise. Okay. Next on screen. Here we have sum of sales. I'm doing show values as grand total. Clear? I found that highest contribution come from technology, breakup of 36%. So either you present your data in terms of percentage wise or number wise. It is your opinion. Clear? Any question, please ask. Any question on this? Huh. Everything will be utilized. Never represent your dashboard in terms of values. Always present your dashboard, your every calculation in percentage. Because people say, okay, I invest 1 crore, how much profit I'm getting? 5 lakhs. People ask you how much percent. Percent is important, not the value. For any data visualization, either do in Python, either do in R, Tableau or Power BI. Representation should be in percentage. Clear? Okay. Next, guys, you make a table. Example, first lesson. Subcategory, sales, profit, quantity. Okay. I want to represent the sum of sales in 1,000. How should I do? How should I change? Over here. I just want in 1,000 K. Format, values. Here we don't have option for unit. No? I'm not getting option for unit. Think how to do. Search each and everything. It's a very simple task. Sales, profit, quantity.
Sir, in a specific column.
Go to specific columns. Values, you can change. So you can values open उसमें सब 1,000 करना है आपको. Just go to format. Oh yeah, format, specific columns. You can change to any one if you want to change. For example, I want this in millions. Okay. So always keep a habit, guys. The representation of numbers, formatting of numbers, icon on numbers, table format, description means background has to be very neat and clean. This type of functionality we do not have in Tableau, if you remember. So Power BI is famous for cosmetic changes. Okay. Last two plot, guys. I will do just you just see this. Okay, on screen. Only these two are remaining: area chart and stacked area chart. See over here on screen. What is the difference in this one and this one? I'll give this title as this is the area chart. This is your what is the difference? That is my question. It's stacked bar chart gives segregation for category wise based on the sales value. Smallest sales will come and break up in this order. Area chart run with respect to the values. Whether the value is going up with respect to year wise or it's going down. Okay, it's just nothing but a line chart with shaded color. Okay, area chart is nothing but a line chart with shade color. If you see like this way, I convert to line chart. सिर्फ जिस कलर हो जाता है और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. Yeah. If you don't want to work on line chart, go for area chart. It's your opinion. But line chart we make to read easy and properly. Why to go for this area chart? That's the reason I've not explained prior. Clear. So guys, from my side, the functionality from first till your metrics is done for you. Okay. Tomorrow, we will be only working on calculations. I'm repeating. Calculation means you have to click on every time transform data. Tomorrow, we will see this Power Query Editor functionality inside this. Okay. For today, done. Done for the day, guys. Any doubts, any questions, please ask. Every missing values, everything will come under Power Query Editor. Python code, function, if else, okay, everything will come under Power Query Editor. Delete कर दिया मैं. I cannot modify this. Assuming I'm writing a conditions over here. No, correct? I'm replacing no with Irfan. Wherever there is a yes, it will not replace. Faster. Want to go back? Remove. Want to find? You want to multiply this to column sales and quantity. Add column. Multiply. Done. Want to do addition of this to profit with quantity. Add. Want to remove? Get removed. So tomorrow this is not too easy. Easy one I have shown you. Okay. So this tomorrow will further continue on this one. It will be online for you. Tomorrow time 8 o'clock. 8.
Hello, sir.
I think I'm just giving them dates. Okay. So date means your 17 we will finish your Power BI, point number 1. And second, Ragini, I will be sharing one link with you and Chantal also. Okay.
Okay.
It will be a YouTube link, and you just have to download you just have to click on 2 different links, which is there in the description.
Okay, sir.
And one software will download for you. Once a software is downloaded, both the files, and you just have to unzip that. So you will get 2 zip file.
Okay.
One is your virtual machine. Install it ready. Point number 1. Ragini, what is the laptop configuration? What is, do you know? i3, i5, what's the laptop?
i5,
i5 and RAM.
8 GB.
Okay, shit. Okay. I'll give you the link. Just follow the link and click over there. Okay. I'll
Okay,
give you a
sir.
video link. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, and sir, yesterday you said you are gonna explain about the project.
Yes, I was explaining because I did not get any update from Kasha.
Okay,
So
sir.
hopefully your will be done by today only. Just I will arrange some session for you either to today or tomorrow. Half an hour, 15 minutes.
Okay,
Because
sir.
at least I should have some input. What is the caption about for you? Once I get an input, I'll give you. And Utkesha is not feeling well. That's the reason I'm not able to contact her.
Okay, sir. No
I
worries.
went down today. She is not. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.